1. An earthquake is a movement in the Earth's crust. 2. An earthquake is a devastating disaster. 3. When an earthquake occurs, the ground starts shaking, which is easily experienced by us. 4. It causes a huge loss of life and property. 5. Earthquake is a natural calamity. 6. Simply say, earthquake means shaking of the earth/ground. 7. It is mainly caused by the lithosphere, which is a depth up to 200 kilometers from the surface of the Earth. 8. It is caused by the release of some energy, which generates waves that travel in all directions and cause breaks. 9. This causes buildings, trees, and other tall structures to break and fall. 10. Earthquakes cannot be prevented, but then if we take some precautions they can be avoided.